I'm Bryan Chambers, and I'm the program director of Bollinger Motors. And my job is to get us to production, but that comes in many ways with working with engineering, suppliers, purchasing, getting the building set up, making sure Robert's happy. That's the ultimate goal. My days are spent lately doing mostly the body right now, getting engineering's drawings out to suppliers, having them quote it, and then finding the best price but the best quality, and keeping it all organized and engineering changes to them before the parts are cut, not after, which has happened on a few parts. And then getting them in so that we can start putting the body together ourselves in-house. We're building two what we call CP prototypes. Confirmation prototype is what they're proving out. They're basically prove-outs of the CAD that we're doing and the engineering we're doing right now. And then after the CPs are done, they'll go to auto shows. We'll do some driving with them, probably marketing. We'll take them for a while. And then we'll actually start kicking off suppliers again for the next round of parts to build the DV vehicles, which would be the production intent vehicles. We test for about 6 months, and then we'll actually manufacture sellable vehicles.